This is the D7 chord. Hi there, my name is Tom Fontana from TheGuitarLesson.com, and today I'll be teaching you the D7 chord. Now to form this chord, you'll need to place your first finger on the first fret of the B string. Your second finger goes in place on the second fret of the G string, and your third finger goes on the high E string at the second fret. And just like with the normal D major chord, you'll be strumming the higher 4 strings. And as always, when you learn a new chord, you want to strum each string nice and slow. And just make sure that you're not hearing any strings buzzing. All your notes are ringing out clearly. And you might want to double check your fingers to make sure that all of them are arched up like this and you're not muting any of the strings that you should be fretting, okay? To practice the D7, we'll be using the chord on, chord off technique. So hold down your D7 chord, take your fingers off, wiggle them around a bit, go back to the chord, chord off, chord on, chord off, chord on, chord off, chord on, chord off, chord on. Daniel's son, wax off, wax on. Remember that? So this is a great way to build the muscle memory in your hands, and if you do it enough, your hands will automatically go into that chord shape whenever you need to fret this chord, okay? And that's how you play the D7 chord.